So it's a nice warm September's afternoon. We're back in the garden and we're feeding our hot bin. Current temperature reading is about 45 degrees Celsius. We've got our shredded online cardboard packaging. We've got our caddy full of chopped up kitchen waste and some rose stems. And we've also got our bulking agent. And this video just to show you how simple and easy it is to feed your hot bin. I'm just going to clip this on over the edge. So, firstly, in with the caddy full of waste that's been chopped up. Two handfuls of shredded paper or cardboard or whatever you have available. That's going to help absorb the moisture. And then 2 to 3 handfuls of wood chippings. 1, 2, 3. And then it's just a matter of giving it a quick stir and making sure all those materials are evenly incorporated into the top layer of the heap. Also helps to break up the grass that I just added in maybe 3 or 4 days ago. Don't want that grass to form a matted layer that's going to block the airflow. There we go. That's all there is to it. Very simple, straightforward. Just close the lid and repeat that every 2 to 3 days with whatever waste you have available. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments box below. Don't forget to like and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel because there'll be some more videos published soon.